Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we peel back the curtain on corporate filings to see what is really going on under the hood, and sometimes what we find is unexpected. Today we're diving into a Form 8K filing from Xilio Therapeutics Incorporated, and buckle up because this one touches on both finances and a bit of a leadership shake-up. Now, Xilio Therapeutics Incorporated is a company we've looked at before, focusing on developing new medicines to fight cancer. They're a publicly traded company on the Nasdaq Capital Market under the ticker XLO. What is interesting about this particular filing is that it is really about providing an early look at their financial health and some organizational changes. Let's start with the financial update. Companies use these 8K forms to announce significant events, and in this case, Xilio is giving us a peek at their cash situation as of the end of last year, the 31st of December 2025. They're estimating they had about $137.5 million in cash and cash equivalents. Now, this is an estimate, and importantly, it is preliminary and unaudited. That means their accounting firm hasn't fully checked it yet, so it is not the final word. Think of it like a quick snapshot before the main photo shoot. They remind us this is not a full picture of their financial results for the entire year, but it definitely gives us a benchmark for their operating runway. Having a solid cash position is crucial for companies like Xilio, especially in the biotech sector where research and development can be a long and costly process. This amount tells us they have a good chunk of money to continue their operations and fund their drug development pipeline for a while. Beyond the financials, there is also news on the leadership front. It looks like there has been a change at the top of their board of directors. Sarah M. Bonstein has been appointed as the new chair of the board. This appointment happened on the 8th of January 2026. She's taking over from Paul Clancy. Mr. Clancy has decided to retire from the board, and Xilio assures us that his retirement wasn't due to any disagreements with the company or its leadership. This kind of transition is pretty common as boards evolve. And the fact that there are no reported disputes is a positive sign for stability. A new chair can bring fresh perspectives and strategic direction. So it will be interesting to watch how Ms. Bonstein guides the board going forward. And finally, as is standard, they've attached the press release announcing these updates. This press release dated the 8th of January 2026 is what really contains the details of the corporate updates and upcoming milestones they mentioned. It's the source document for the cash estimate and the board change. Now, looking at Xilio Therapeutics Incorporated situation here. They're in a phase where demonstrating financial stability is key to attracting further investment and keeping their research going strong. The $137.5 million in estimated cash is a significant amount, providing a good cushion. This gives them flexibility to navigate the often unpredictable journey of drug development. One notable opportunity for Xilio is the potential of their drug pipeline. If they can successfully bring their treatments to market, the cash injection from sales could be substantial. They are operating in an industry with high potential rewards, but also high risks. The success of any biotech company hinges on clinical trial outcomes and regulatory approvals. Any setbacks in these areas could significantly impact their valuation and future prospects. A key risk for any company in their position is the burn rate, how quickly they are spending their cash. While their current cash balance seems healthy, the duration it will last depends heavily on their operational expenses, especially R&D spending. Investors will be watching closely to see how efficiently they are using these funds. The leadership transition is another point to monitor. While presented as amicable, any significant board change can bring a period of adjustment. However, with Ms. Bonstein at the helm, the company might be signaling a renewed focus on strategic growth or operational efficiency. Overall, Xilio Therapeutics Incorporated appears to be in a relatively stable financial position for now, bolstered by a substantial cash reserve. The leadership change is a standard but important development. The big story for Xilio, as with most biotech firms, will be the progress and success of their drug development programs. If they can deliver on their promise, this cash will be just a stepping stone to much greater financial success. Alright? That's a wrap on our deep dive into Xilio Therapeutics Incorporated's latest filing. What are your thoughts on their cash position and the leadership change? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more corporate insights. And don't forget to join our Discord community for more discussions. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.